Hello friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. Whether you're brand new or a subscriber, I'm glad to have you here. Today I'm showing you a very girly birthday card that I made, and if you've watched some of my videos, you know this much pink is a lot for me, but this is for a 1-year-old who just has a girly mom and is super girly, and it needed to be pink. I used the Pink Paislee Fancy Free collection. It's been around for a while, so you might have it in your stash somewhere. And I'm using my stamp platform to put the happy birthday down at the bottom. And I started this card and forgot to turn on the camera. So I had 32 minutes of footage, most of which it seems like I spent cleaning my desk, which didn't turn out great, and cleaning stamps that were sitting around. There I'm just taking a baby wipe and wiping off that happy birthday stamp. Then I'm experimenting with the background and the embellishment that I made. I used a 2-inch circle punch and a 2.5-inch circle punch and a sticker that was a 1 from an alphabet set with some stickles on it, and put some foam mount between them. I love making my own embellishments. I will sit around and watch TV and punch things out of cardboard or whatever. I think that's really fun. Sometimes I make them in color schemes I'll never use, so it backfires, but it's still fun. Then I wanted another layer. This is a 12 by 12 pad that I have, so the scale wasn't quite right for some of the scale of the patterns wasn't quite right for cards, but I wanted a piece of paper that would bring in that orangey and pink and peach. The floral that I put behind the 1 didn't do it very well. So I used this Live Out Loud cut apart, and it was 4x6, so I fiddled with it and went back and forth. Now I'm gluing it together. Just be sure you're always squaring things off at the top and it'll turn out fine. Then I'm gluing this to the card base before I put on my 3-dimensional embellishment. That's a pretty good way to do it, but not always the way I remember to do it. And I'm putting, I'm off camera, art glitter glue on the back of that embellishment. And then I'm going to straighten it out on my mat and use it to measure the center and get the 1 in the center of the card. That's a pretty nice feature if you pay attention to the ruler on your mat. And there I just used a paintbrush to go around the edge to flatten it out a little better. And I'm grabbing some glue dots, and I'm going to put them on the back of this. I really like glue dots for bows and that sort of thing. I know you can use wet glue, but with glue dots I don't have to wait for them to dry. And I have them in 2 sizes, the very small that are actual glue dots brand, and then a different brand of a larger size. And this stamp set that I'm using here is from Hero Arts. It is the Make-A-Wish birthday set, and the idea is that you can take that cake and decorate it with the flowers and the banners that they give you. Honestly, I haven't done that yet. I just really wanted a happy birthday that I liked. I had a couple that were in fonts that I thought were dated. The font on this is a little bit big for cards, but overall I like it. Here I'm adding a party hat to the envelope and a little more pink. Needs just a little bit more pink for this. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can also click the Crafting and Relaxing logo at the end of the video to subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.